Ooh, my mic check. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is back day. Why is it back day? We have done every other body part except for arms and back. So at this new gym, so we're gonna do back today and then arms whatever the next day is. I don't work out on the weekend, so back day with arms will be Monday. But back day today, don't know what I'm doing, just going with the flow, whatever's open. It's 7 o'clock again, 7:22 again. I did 20 minutes of biking and all that shit. Y'all don't get to see that. Well, I might throw a clip in there because I record everything just in case I want to do a little tic-tac about it or whatever. How y'all feel about tic-tac being gone, by the way? I don't really give a damn. It's another app I don't gotta manage. But yeah, back day, let's get into it. I'm gonna try to start off by dead hang, stretching my fucking shoulders and all that extra ligament bullshit. And then I'm gonna get into pull-ups, warm up my back, and then get the workout started. Probably only gonna do 3 workouts, 3 machines, and then just burn out every set. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully y'all fucking with the content. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated. I don't know why I started giving an outro, but let's get into the fucking workout, man. Dead hang first. Oh, this shit is a lot harder than it looks. My titties hurt too. All right, still stretching. All right, I think I'm done. I'm definitely not doing 3 plates. I don't know what maniac put this shit here, but it ain't me. Fuck my phone. All right, so we start this off wide angle, then we'll go close angle, then narrow, or extra close, whatever y'all want to call it. Ooh, your boy look good in this sun, I bet. All right, I'm gonna start the song over. The whole time I was trying to focus on stretching and flexing at the end or when I'm all the way out here. That's what I was focusing on. But I feel something. It's definitely a mid-back, well, upper to mid-back workout. Definitely feel it right now. So I feel like I probably need to add some weight, but not a whole 45. So let's get that in. Hey, it's a good day. Let's go. Hey, I can jack. That's a little bit heavy. Added 50 pounds in total. Let's see what we're hitting for. Always wide grip, by the way. This stretch is important. Set was a 10 out of 10. It was definitely difficult, but I tried to push through it. Still only wide grip. I don't think I'm ever gonna do, well, it's cool to do something different. So I'll probably switch it up once in a while. So I won't say never. But wide grip is definitely. C'est la vie. I think I just take a break before I hop back in. I definitely want to hit this machine next to me. Seems lower lat focused. How y'all feeling today, man? I feel like today I was battling my emotions regarding my partner. I feel like no matter what I say, it just seems like she don't understand where a nigga coming from. But it's like, I can always see where she's coming from and adjust accordingly. But when it's my turn, I just don't get the same treatment. Is how I feel. I don't think it's her intentions. I just think she doesn't know how to process what I'm telling her, which is okay to a point. I'm just trying to not get tired of it. Like, I'm not giving up on the shit. It's just, fuck. What it take for a nigga to be understood. But yeah, that was my day. I definitely went to my appointment. I had a financial advisory appointment. Talked about what to invest in and shit like that. And then I also went to go see a banker for one of my businesses. Tried to find another CPA. Y'all probably don't know what the fuck half this shit mean, but I'm gonna educate y'all because that's what life's about. Nobody's telling niggas how to make money on. Nobody's telling niggas, they're only showing you how to buy drugs to fix cancer. as ads. Nobody's telling y'all how to invest in y'all future and shit. So we gonna do a little bit of that here. If I make it, you make it, to be honest. So let's get back into the workout. I think that's enough for the break. It's definitely a workout. I might up it to 2 plates just to see if I can hit it. Oh, fuck. Hello? Be safe. I'm at the gym. Copy. Well, they should go call me. I think I'm just upset at her right now, so I definitely give a lot of a fucks. But I'm just tired of being tired. Life, man. Let's channel that into this workout. Fuck it. Slow down, nigga. All right. Let's see if this little bit of anger is gonna give me a little percentage boost and still be able to do the workouts like a normal human being. Fuck. Let's put my music back. All right. First time hitting 2 plates on anything in 2024. I forbade myself from touching 2 plates, but I think I have enough anger in me to be able to work through this. I don't think it's just anger, it's just frustration. So I think I have enough frustration in me to throw this shit in. Wish me luck. Close and personal. I'm still gonna need that luck though. Let's play this music on. Oh, perfect. Definitely needed to listen to some Houston music. All right, time to lock in. If I'm cheating, fuck it. The sun's going away. Let me take a quick flick. Used to punch shit for the fun, nigga. I'm stretching. I walk around on the side of, hey, you gotta pop in the tuck. Don't rob, bitch. I might listen to something sad right now. See if I get a little boost from it. No, she got addicted. Ooh, that bitch like some nigga, just like butter. What he clock? AK. Spin up, band, spin up. I know you know, baby mama. I know he. I've been keeping that pistol on late. Oh, this gonna be hard. Spin up, band, spin up. All right, it's time to move. I did my part. I really want to show you off, girl. What y'all know about that? I really want to show you off, girl. All right, last person here lifted at 50. Let's see what this hitting for. I feel like this will take a while for me to get tired of, which I'm completely fine with. I noticed if I'm just casually pulling down, I don't really feel it as much. But when I emphasize having my elbows touch the middle of my back, I feel a lot more. So, hey, I ain't no coach. I just like pain. I'm gonna go heavy. Getting that pussy off. I might have lied. That's a workout. Life, man. Want to show you off, girl. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a long, good break. But I live in apathy. I'm in a rap career. Hey, I know on my toes. I know. G-Bunch, then I do. Here, girl, bullet hole. Talk that shit out in the rap career. All right, I'm gonna do lower. I'm gonna go down one. Pull up, shot for real. We so crack for real. All right, slow and steady wins the race. Come on. Yeah, it's got to be a burnout, burnout. All right, switch. I'm gonna foot a little bit. Hey, all right. I'm gonna do one more. And I'm kicking rocks. Ooh, Kevin Gates is crazy. All right, what's next? I'm in your father. I take what? Hey, feel like everywhere you going, I'm like, wow. I love to see you smile, baby. Kill me when you cry. Let's see what this shit here for. Oh, fuck no. Switch. I know why these niggas beating it. I got bands on. I'm just saying. Riding it. All right. Yep. Put some weight on here. I don't know why these pussy niggas playing. I got bands. Let me get some bands on you. Glock. I'm gonna go down. I'm finna die, so I'll probably do one more workout after this. I'm not satisfied yet. I might do just regular degular shit. Fuck it. Get your dick. I be giving you dick. Nigga do 160? You're fucking crazy, bro. Fucking psycho. I've been getting it in since a kid. I'm on the paper route. Oh my God. I gotta get it in this one. All right. Wait for the beat drop.
Man looks the complete opposite way. Man looks the complete looks at another guy.
popping the pussy just for the evil bands. Yes, bitch, I'm going to because fuck. There's just coming at Colorado, folks. Talking about, man, nigga, you ain't got shit back. I'm gonna go back up and wait. Ain't shit green. Alright, let's get out of here. I don't clue, but y'all wanna still come through that shit there, true. And then love baby girl, I'm gonna come back. I'm your favorites and shit. No, you're not labor, not it. Boy, you not gang, that's it. Niggas stop ripping that shit. Ain't shit green, but that lima bean. Ain't shit green, but this gun in my jean. Don't get ate up like some collard greens. It's always about it. And this shit crazy when they shot it wanna go feed the streets. But I ain't help it. That guy, he texted me. Gotta get me out there. Say slime, but we ain't about it. Hey, oh, gang. All right, y'all. Let me pause this music. All right, y'all. So back day a solid. My fucking shit drenched. It's black, so you can't really tell, but my shit is drenched. Back day, I feel really good about it. It was definitely a rough day. I didn't really feel like coming to the gym, but I came anyway. Pause for all the sus motherfuckers in the chat watching the video, but I didn't really want to be here. Came anyway. That's all it's about. Trying to get comfortable with being uncomfortable. So, yeah, this is back day. Oh, the V line coming back. Oh, by the way, well, I think I already told you I lost like 15 pounds since I stopped crazy bulking. But you can see the little, vine. Oh shit, they done fucked up. They done fucked up. Nigga, I went from fat as hell to, you can see that shit? Yeah, it's up. Wait till that bitch come in fully. But yeah, today was definitely it's ending good right now. Cause I'm gonna go back and see my partner. So I don't know how the night's gonna end. I already bought her some shit to surprise her on some balloons and flowers shit. I don't wanna have to do that just to be able to fucking talk to my partner, but I just feel like I'm so frustrated with her right now. I need her to be in the best possible mood to be able to hear me, if that makes sense. But you go deal with that after this good ass workout. It was worth it. So I'm gonna rate this workout a solid 8.5 out of 10. I haven't given y'all a pose in a while, huh? Yeah, that gets to it. So pose of the day, I'm gonna just do a basic little lat spread. It's been a while. How does this look? Let me try it behind. Pause. That shit better be looking godly. Cause I'm trying so hard. But if it don't, it is what it is. Let me check it out. Not fucking bad. Not bad at all. I give that last spread an 8 out of 10 too. But relieved of where we're going in the channel. Appreciate everybody for the support. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Stay positive, stay motivated, give me tips and tricks if I'm doing something wrong. Constructive is allowed on this channel. I'm gonna count the next one. C'est la vie.